Hi folks, this is Van Life Mary. I would love to show you this Travato. This is a 59G, okay? It's a 2023. You have beautiful seats back here for 2 kiddos. You've got a table that moves. This is amazing. Then if you come in here, look at the size of this screen. You do have a new, for 2022, you have a charging port right there for your phone. Isn't that beautiful? And then this light bar, it's just one of the nice features that Winnebago puts right here. This has a dimmer, so it can go bright or low. Gives you a lot of light in the unit back here. Counter space, amazing. Then there is a gas cooktop here, which a lot of people prefer. And then look at these right here. The privacy screens are amazing. So just the fact that it goes neatly tucked away where it's not going to get damaged or anything. Then new for this year, you've got your freezer drawer. Isn't that amazing? And of course the fridge up top, microwave, lots of cabinet space above your Murphy bed. So I'm really excited about this option too. So you can fit 2 people here easily, and then it does give you a little bit more room in the bathroom. As you can see, I'll come inside here. I have a lot of space in here to move around, to do what I need to do. And a little sink in here as well. So a little mirror. This is great. The good thing about having a door that opens up in the back is that you can put paddle boards or kayaks throughout here, load them up in the back, keep that bed tucked up. Something else I really like about this van is the awning. So with just a push of the button, you can put this out. You've got LED lights underneath to give you this really good protection, but then you have light too. So if you'd like to work with me, Van Life Mary, I love these vans, they're amazing. Give me a call, 406-850-4590. Come to Bish's, look at our inventory. I'd love to have you.